Hello friends, Mandar here. I'm back with another video. Today let's talk about the delay in posting of October visa bulletin by the State Department. I have been getting a lot of questions regarding when is the next visa bulletin going to come, because there is a lot of speculation around dates moving forward, and I had made a detailed video about it just a couple of weeks back. So if you're interested in this topic, stay until the end and let's talk about it. So the visa bulletin is something that is published by the State Department on a monthly basis. So what it tells is current priority date information on different visa or immigrant visa types, so such as family-based and employment-based visa types. So as you know, all the immigrant visas have a yearly quota, and due to this the processing times for different visa categories are different. So they are based on the priority date which is assigned when you make an application. I have made a detailed video to explain how the priority date works and how the visa bulletin works. So you might want to check that video out on my channel. So let's talk about the monthly visa bulletin that comes in. It typically comes after 10th of every month, and it is usually seen to have come in before 20th of every month. So I have seen visa bulletin getting published anywhere between 10th of the month to 20th of the month. I have never seen any visa bulletin come in after 20th, and today is 24th and we are getting very close to the month end. So by the time I post this video, maybe the visa bulletin will be published, who knows, but it can come in any time now. Now why is there a delay in this particular visa bulletin? Nobody knows. So my prediction is this year there are going to be a lot of visa numbers available from family based categories that were unprocessed or unallocated that will become available for employment based category starting October 1st, and I had made a special video about it. But what has happened is these numbers are too high. My previous prediction was they might be around 50 to 60,000 visas available. Now it's predicted that it's going to be more than 100,000 visas, extra visas that are going to be available for employment based categories that are spilled over from this year, which makes it a big change. Nowhere in the last few years I have seen these many number of visas being available or spilled over from year to year. So this is something new for the State Department as well as USCIS. Now because there is such a huge number, there might be some confusion between these two agencies, State Department and USCIS, both of which issue immigrant visas. My speculation is there is no big reason behind it. It's just that they might be taking extra time to figure out how many number of visas are actually available from this year that should be made available for the next fiscal year for employment based categories. In my opinion, there is nothing more to it. They are just taking extra time to make sure that they are calculating these numbers accurately before publishing them. So we might see this visa bulletin come in at any time. My suggestion is if you are close to getting your priority date current, prepare for your 485 application, also your EAD and advanced payroll documentation. Remember, the fees are going to increase starting October 2nd. If you can submit your application as soon as it becomes current on October 1st, you might not have to pay for the EAD and advanced payroll. So those are my 2 cents, and just to clear out the speculation about why the October visa bulletin is not come in yet. It's just a matter of them sorting out the numbers, making sure they are accurate before publishing it. So let's hope that it comes in anytime very soon, and wish you all the best. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.